I'm sorry, teacher.
Oh, hello, Amy. Good evening.
Gọi có máy nha.
Hello, Amy. Can you hear me?
Em mặt nhỏ thôi, em không thích, em đi quên.
Có phải trường bị số này không? Đúng.
Thôi, em sẽ một con xe đó.
Im lặng đi.
Em sẽ một con xe
Hello,
này.
Amy.
68624 của evening kìa.
Này,
Hi, where are you?
ai em đó? Biết.
Oh, you're at the beach. Okay. So, how many days are you going to stay at the beach?
Chưa.
2 days. Wow. Okay, I want you to look around. Amy, what can you see there?
Thấy chờ. Mẹ Nhân. Mẹ. Sao nó có hiện nó
Yes, Amy? Look around your surroundings.
cái này
What can you see?
What can you see kìa, cô nói kìa.
em không biết.
Chị hỏi cô đi, I don't know.
Em thích nữa.
You don't know? Oh, because you're already inside the car. Are you on your way home now? Or are you going to your hotel?
Go home.
Oh, are you going home now, Amy?
Em biết cười quá à.
Không sao.
Em biết cười lắm. Nhưng mà em thấy cười nó không có
How
tốt.
are you, Amy? Are you sad? Are you mad?
Ừ,
Học đêm mai với Thương.
nhưng mà em thấy cười lắm.
Không có gì kỳ hết.
Em thấy cười.
Học đi, cô đang đợi xếp trên người.
That's
Amy, how are you feeling?
em
Are you sad?
em
Đứng lên.
happy.
Are you sad, Amy?
I'm happy.
Wow, you're happy. Very good. All right. So, did you swim in the sea?
Dạ, đúng rồi. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. So, what did you wear when you swim?
A close pool.
What is that?
A close beach.
What is Clubs Beach? Oh, the name of the beach is Clubs Beach.
No. English.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand, Amy. But did you wear a swimsuit at the beach?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. All right. So speaking of swimsuit, today we're going to continue learning about summer. Okay, is it summer right now in your place, Amy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it summer there?
Yes. Có summer là
Wow,
cái gì vậy?
thanks.
Summer là
It's
cái gì
because
vậy?
you went to the beach. Okay, now I want you to look at this picture, Amy. What is this?
It's a ball.
It's a ball. Very good. So what can we do with the ball at the beach?
We play.
Yes. Okay, we can play with it. Did you play with the ball at the beach earlier, Amy?
What?
Did you have a ball at the beach?
Yes.
That's great. So what was the color of your ball?
Um, it's pink
Oh, pink. That's lovely. Now where is your ball now?
in my phone.
In your phone?
Yeah.
How can you put the ball in your phone? Oh, you mean the picture of your ball?
No.
Oh, it's all right. I want you to look at this ball instead, Amy. What color is it?
Is 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 colorful.
That's right. It's colorful. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, now, Amy, listen. What can we do with the ball?
We should play.
We can play. How can we play it? We can throw it, like throw, like that. We can catch it. We can dribble it. Then we can kick the ball with our foot. Okay. Now, look at this one. What are these?
This is a flowers.
Yes, I want you to say these are flowers.
These are flowers.
Very good. Now, how many flowers are there, Amy?
Um, is is three flowers.
Okay, you say there are three flowers.
Three flowers.
One more time, Amy. There are three flowers.
Three flowers.
Great. Okay, now, which one is your favorite? Do you like the sunflower, the rose, or the daisy? Which one do you like? Me? Okay. This is what I like because it's purple, my favorite. What about you, Amy? Which flower do you like best here?
I like sunflower.
The sunflower. Very good. Now listen carefully. If people need air, food, water, sunlight, and what? And some vitamins, what about flowers? What do they need?
They need like the people.
Say that again.
Like the people.
They're like people. Why are they like us?
Because they are intelligent.
That's right. But you know what? People and flowers have differences. What makes them different, Amy?
But they need everything.
Say that again. I can't hear you well.
Because this is need. Because this is need acting.
Oh, I don't understand. I cannot hear you well, Amy. You are choppy. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, there you are. Okay, now, what is the difference between people and flowers?
Because they are um have have different.
All right, listen carefully. When we say people, we can move on our own, but flowers do not or cannot move on its own. Okay, with people, we can talk, we can open our eyes, we have our eyes, but flowers do not have mouth to talk with like that. Now, what about you? What are the differences between flowers and people?
I don't know.
Do we need sunlight?
Yes.
How about flowers? Do they need sunlight?
Flower.
Do flowers need sun, Amy?
Yes.
Of course they do. Okay, that is their food. Or it's just vitamins for them. Okay, now, what flowers eat? What do flowers eat?
Flower it. I don't know.
They actually get some nutrients from the soil. Do you know what soil is?
No.
Okay, I want you to look at the three flowers on the screen. So look, where do they grow? They grow from the soil. The soil is always brown, but sometimes there is a soil that is color black because of the fertilizers that they use it. So look at this one. If you can see this on the ground, okay, where flowers grow, then that is the soil. So flowers grow because they get nutrients from the soil. Now, what part? Let's look at the flower, Amy. The flower has many parts. Look at this one. What do we call this? Do you know that part of the flower?
No.
Oh, look at this. Let me make it a little smaller for you. Okay, look at this one, Amy. This one is what we call stem.
Mm.
Stem, the purpose of this is to connect the roots from its petal. So look at this one. Look, Amy, what do we call this one?
This is tàng cây. Cái gì quên?
Okay, you say, in English, we call it, you say petals.
Petals.
Very good. Now, what about this green thing? Other plants also have this. What do we call that?
It's a leaf. It's easy.
Leaf. That's right. Okay, now what about, look here, the flower doesn't grow without these. Okay, when you're going to pick a flower, then we can see many hair on it from the ground. So what do we call those hair?
The hair.
Oh, actually, it looks like hair, but we call them roots. Can you say roots?
Roots.
All right. Now, what is the purpose of the roots? The root is responsible so that the flowers can get nutrients from the soil.
Yes.
Okay, without the roots, the flower die. It's like their heart. So for us, if our heart stop beating, we die. But for flowers, look, if you're going to cut out their roots, they also die. All right, Amy?
Teacher.
Now I'm going to show you a picture
Teacher.
of what a real root look like so
Teacher.
that you can
Teacher.
actually, yes,
Teacher. The roots have a trap up of this root, and the flower is growing, right?
that is right. That is why flowers grow because it has roots. I want you to look at this picture, Amy. Can you see this one clearly?
What?
Okay, so look at this brown thing. Look at that dirt. That dirt is what we call soil. That's where we plant the flowers so that they will grow. Without the soil, they won't grow too. Now look at that thing that looks like a hair. Okay, that is what we call roots. All right?
Yes.
Okay, so how can you draw the roots? It looks like this. All right. Okay. Now again, Amy, listen carefully. What part of the flower, sir, what part of the flower is the most important?
I don't
Is it
know.
the petal, the leaf, the stem, or the root?
The root.
Very
The
good.
root.
Why is it very important, Amy?
I don't know.
Okay, because without it, the flower will die. Yes. So you try to experiment. Pick a flower with pick two flowers with the root and without roots. Then let's see if that flower without roots will survive. That is why when we are going to plant flowers, make sure that it has roots on it. If you're just going to plant just the stem and its petal, it's useless. It won't grow. Do you like flowers, Amy?
Yes.
Wow. Do you know how to plant flower?
No. Yes.
Oh, that's perfect. All right. Now look at this one. What is this?
It's so beautiful.
Yes, it's so beautiful. So what place is this?
It's a farm
Okay, you say garden.
garden.
Very good. Okay, when we say farm, yes, in the farm there are flowers. But when we say farm, it is a place that has animals, vegetables, flowers, trees, or other crops. But when we say garden, it's very specific for flowers and other plants that grow. All right, Amy? It doesn't have any
Yes.
animals on it unless if there are insects who would actually um have some bite from those flowers. Because you
Mm.
know what? Whenever that the flower is healthy and it's beautiful, insects like to be on it. So what insects can we see from the flowers, Amy?
I don't know.
Oh,
I
do you
don't
know
know.
what insects are?
I don't know. Yeah. I don't know.
Listen, do you know what insects are, Amy?
Yeah.
Very good. So insects are animals that has six
Yeah.
legs. Okay, what are examples of insects? We have spiders. What else?
And
Nice.
ladybug
Very
and
good.
mosquito and
Yes.
bees and I don't know.
Butterfly, caterpillar, so they are all insects. Now listen. What insects can we see from the garden?
Why?
We can see bees. What else?
Um, a butterflies.
Very good. Anything else, Amy?
And mosquitoes
Yes, that's
and
right.
and the ladybugs and
That's
ant
right.
and
Yes.
a bird and a bird.
All right. So bird is another animal. It is considered a bird because it has its wings. But not all birds have wings and not all insects do not have wings. All right. So Amy, do you have a garden at home?
Oh,
No, it's all right. Okay, what about in your grandma's house? Does she have a garden?
yes.
Nice. What can you see from your grandma's garden?
I can see a flower.
Yes, can you see some
Hello,
fruits too?
hello. This I see
Yes.
the insect.
Which one? I can't see. Oh, the one that you're drawing in here? Oh, yes. What
It's an
insect is
insect.
that?
It's a bee.
It's a bee. Very good. Have you ever been stung by a bee, Amy?
No.
No, well, good for you. What will we do if there is a beehive? By the way, a beehive is the home of the bees. Okay, so what will you do, Amy, if you can see plenty of bees?
I don't know.
Okay, first thing, you have to stay away from it. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's the easiest thing that we can do. Stay away from it. If you can see a beehive, stay away from it. Don't play with it. Or don't never ever throw a stone on it. All right?
Okay.
Okay. So Amy, I want you to look at this. What season is it?
It's a frozen.
Okay, you say it's summer.
It's summer, but it's started.
Yes, of course, this is a garden. Okay, so what's the weather like in this garden?
Um, sunny.
It's sunny, very good.
Sun.
By the way, Amy, if I'm going to ask you, Amy, what is the season today? So when we say season, there are four most of the time. Winter, that's when snow happens, just like Frozen in Frozen. Okay, do you know Frozen? It's the movie
Yeah.
Elsa and Anna. All right. So winter, that's very cold, so snowy. Now next we have summer.
Oh,
What's the weather in
summer.
summer? It's so hot. We have autumn or
And
fall. It's so
and
windy,
it's
super
cold
cool.
too.
Then we
Cold
have spring.
and yeah,
What's the weather like during spring, Amy?
and rain too.
It rains. That's
And
right. It's
cloudy. And
very
cloud
most of the time it is
cloudy.
rainy and
And
cloudy. Great
cloudy.
job, Amy. So what is your favorite season?
What?
What is your favorite season?
What season? I don't know season.
Oh, listen, you have to pay attention. Look, I'm going to write it. There are four seasons. We have winter. What's the weather in this season? It's very cold. So snowy. Okay, now summer, it's hot.
Yeah,
Okay, that
super
is
hot.
sunny. All right. Now we have what else? Spring.
Rainy. Rainy.
Yes, it's rainy, sometimes windy. All right.
And
Rainy.
windy too.
Okay, and windy. Very
And
good.
cloudy. And
Then
cloudy. And
that's
cloudy.
right. Rainy,
Cloudy.
cloudy,
Cloudy.
and sometimes windy. Okay, what about fall
I don't know
or
fall.
autumn? Fall or autumn, this usually happens in October. Here in our place, actually, we don't have fall or autumn. We only have two seasons, dry and wet. When we say dry, that's rainy. Wet is summer. Okay, so in other
Yeah.
countries, they have fall or autumn. So in this weather, it's very windy, super cool. The trees are dancing like that. And you know what? Look at this tree. It has green leaves. But when the season is fall, the leaves will turn into orange, sometimes yellow or red. All right? Then that's when you know that, oh my God, it's already fall. But when the tree's leaves are super green, then that is spring or summer. But when the trees turn into white, what season is it, Amy?
It's cloudy, right?
What if the tree's leaves, look at the tree's leaves, it will turn all into white. So what's the season? It's all white in here, very so white. Then what's the season? It is that's gonna be winter, Amy. All right, Amy. So for tonight, what did we learn? We learned about words about summer.